Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the ninth topic of your honeycomb reader. The name of the topic is A Baskel in Good Repair by Jerome K. Jerome. My dear students, let me start. The bicycle ride is enjoyable only if it is in good condition. Before going on a long pleasure ride, one should get it thoroughly overhauled by an expert mechanic. My dear children, if you want enjoyable ride, if you want enjoyable ride, and if you want to go a long ride, then your bicycle must be in a good condition. It must be in a good condition. Then only you can enjoy, my dear children. Then only you can enjoy. Suppose if you want to go from Pahalgam to Srinagar, it is around 400 kilometers. My dear children, your bicycle must be in good condition. It must be in good condition. Then only you can enjoy. Then only you can enjoy. So, what should you do before going for a long pleasure or ride? You should get it thoroughly overhauled by an expert mechanic. By an expert mechanic. But the boy in the story experienced a mechanic. The story that I am going to teach you today, my dear children. Here, the boy in the story, he's experienced a mechanic who know nothing and screwed up all. Who know nothing, who knew nothing. Still, he screwed up all the bicycle. The child hesitated initially. Initially, he got hesitated and regretted it later. The humor is scattered all around in their activities and conversation. One would burst with laughter while reading the lesson. This is a funny lesson, my dear children. This is a funny lesson, my dear children. The technician proposed a long bicycle ride to the child, and who agreed willingly to his proposal. Who agreed willingly to his proposal. The boy woke up early. The boy woke up early and felt elated. Elated for his move. Elated means happy. He felt happy for his move. He felt happy for his take. The day was lovely. When asked, he informed about the little inconvenience caused while bicycle in the afternoon. Are you getting me, my dear children? What happened? He informed about the little inconvenience caused while bicycle in the afternoon. The man holds the front wheel and the fell. The man, the mechanic, whom about we are talking, he knew nothing. And what he did, he secured up all. And initially, I told you, my dear children, the child got hesitated and later he regretted. Later he regretted, my dear children. The man holds the front wheel and the fork. Instead of asking the boy, he shook, he shook it violently, my dear children. He asserted that the front wheel was wobbling. What he asserted that? He asserted that the front wheel was wobbling and asked for a hammer. And asked for a hammer, my dear children. He asked for a hammer. The boy wanted to react but was hesitant. The boy wanted to react, but he was hesitant, my dear children. He felt perturbed, he felt disturbed while observing the activities of a mechanic. While observing the activities of a mechanic, the boy got hesitant. The boy got hesitant, my dear children. He got perturbed. While riding, he stopped bicycle all of a sudden. He stopped bicycle all of a sudden and then told him the bicycle is not up to the mark. And he told him the front wheel and the fork, it is wobbling, it is wobbling. And then he asked him for a hammer. Then the man, the mechanic, he asked him for what he asked him? He asked him for a hammer. The boy got hesitant. He got perturbed. The boy wanted to react. The boy wanted to react, but he was hesitant. He was hesitant, my dear children. He was perturbed, my dear children. Thank you and have a good day. My dear children, if you have any problem, if you have any query, just ring me. I'm available 24 into 7. My dear children, your exam is we are going to conduct examination on 1st of October. For that, I have given you chapter number 6 and 7th in honeycomb, and in supplementary reader you have to memorize, you have to read chapter number 6 and 7. Apart from that, you have to go for a comprehension would be there, a passage would be there. In passage 5-6 questions will be asked. You have to answer them in a proper and correct manner. Thank you and have a good day.